My dear students, today I am going to discuss class 10 physics, the chapter of light. Now this is continuation from my previous video where I discussed about some important concepts in the chapter of light: optical density, refractive index, refraction, and all that. Now today I am going to continue with refractive index of an optical medium. Now the symbol of refractive index given in class 10 textbook is this one, like N. Now refractive index is a ratio, therefore it has no unit. This is another unitless physical quantity. Okay. Now refractive index of a certain medium is never permanent, is not permanent. So refractive index of a certain medium is not permanent because it depends on the first medium, That means the medium from where light is coming into the medium which is under discussion. Now suppose this one, say let us see this example. Alright. Now suppose this is medium A, this is medium B, this is medium C, this is medium B. Alright. Now refractive index of B with respect to A. Now here A is the first medium, and B is the second medium. And in this diagram C is the first medium, B is the second medium. That means light is coming from A and entering into B. This is incident ray, reflected ray, and here light is coming from the medium C and entering into B. Alright. Now here refractive index of B with respect to A is the first medium. Now this is how it is written. This is the symbol. Now this, and here refractive index of the same medium B with respect to C. That means here C is the first medium. And note the symbol. This is how you have to write. Refractive index of B with respect to A. That means A is the first medium. Here refractive index of B with respect to C. That means C is the first medium. Now this value and this value, they are not equal. Why not equal? Because first media are different. Now this is refractive index of medium B. This is also refractive index of medium B. But here the first medium is A with respect to A. Here first medium is C with respect to C. Therefore they are not equal. Have you followed? So remember, refractive index of a medium is not permanently fixed. So it depends on the first medium. Now when the first medium is vacuum, suppose this medium is vacuum and this medium is B. Then suppose light enters from vacuum to B. So this is incident ray, refracted ray. Alright. Now in this figure you see light is entering from vacuum to medium B. So vacuum is the first medium and B is the second medium. Now this one, refractive index of B with respect to vacuum. Alright. Now you see all these three will be different. This is with respect to A, this is with respect to C, this is with respect to vacuum. All these three values will be different, not same. Okay. Now this particular thing, when the first medium is vacuum, we call this refractive index absolute refractive index. So remember the term absolute. So absolute refractive index. So what is absolute refractive index? How will you define it? Absolute refractive index of a medium is its refractive index with respect to vacuum. With respect to vacuum, that means vacuum is the first medium. Alright. Now this, when this is N, I mean actually you can call it nu, you can call it N. Alright. So NBV. So this is simply written as this way, NB. So you don't have to write, you do not have to write the symbol V. So it is understood. It is understood. So if you see this symbol, it means the first medium is vacuum. All right. If you see this symbol, so refractive index of Z, that means glass. Refractive index of glass, the first medium is vacuum. First medium is vacuum. When the first medium is vacuum, it is not mentioned. Okay. And when the first medium is vacuum, remember refractive index is called absolute refractive index. Okay. All right. Now I am going to discuss some important formula. All right. Now let us see the first formula. This is the first formula involving refractive index. So NBA, this is equal to VA by VB. All right. Now this formula comes from definition. That means refractive index of a certain medium B with respect to medium A is given by what? Is given by the ratio of velocity of light in medium A by velocity of light in medium B. So by definition, I repeat, refractive index of a medium B with respect to medium A, that means A is the first medium, is given by the ratio. This is the ratio of what? Ratio of velocity of light in medium A to TO2, the velocity of light in medium B. All right. Now since this is a ratio, so refractive index has no unit. Refractive index has no unit because it is a ratio. All right. So this is the first formula, you can say. Now actually how, for example, let us say this one, refractive index of suppose water with respect to air. Refractive index of water with respect to air. So air is the first medium. So this is equal to, using this formula, VA by VW. So refractive index of water with respect to air is equal to, according to this formula, which comes from definition, so velocity of light in medium A by velocity of light in medium water. Okay, so this is an example. All right. Now let us see the second formula. The second formula is this one. Refractive index of a certain medium is equal to C by VM. Now this formula says refractive index of a certain medium. Now here the first medium is not mentioned, that means it is vacuum. Refractive index of a certain medium M with respect to vacuum is equal to C by velocity of light in that medium. Now this C means velocity of light in vacuum. Now velocity of light in vacuum is well known, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Isn't it? So this is the velocity of light in vacuum, 3 into 10 to the power 8, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So this is represented by this symbol C. All right. So refractive index of a certain medium with respect to vacuum, that means absolute refractive index. So this you can call absolute refractive index because the first medium is vacuum. So that is equal to C by velocity of light in that medium. Now C means this constant, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, which is the velocity of light in vacuum. All right. That means suppose you want to find suppose a refractive index of, say, glass. Suppose you want to find refractive index of glass with respect to vacuum, that means absolute refractive index. Now you will use the formula. So this is an example. So C is this one, 3 into 10 to the power 8. All right, by velocity of light in glass. Now velocity of light in glass is suppose 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. Suppose velocity of light in glass is 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. All right, then C value is this one. Now you are required to find refractive index of glass. So using this formula you will write this way, and then if you simplify this, what will happen? These two will cancel, and 3 by 1.5 is 30 by 15, that means 2. So equal to 2. equal to 2. Now this is an example. Have you followed? So how will you calculate refractive index of a certain medium when velocity of light in that medium is given? So you will use that formula. Now this formula, I mean the numerical sum involving this formula is most common in exam. Okay, so this is how you will calculate. So this equal to, so C value we will put this one, then this is given velocity of light in medium glass, suppose medium Z, then by simplifying you get 2. So this is the answer, refractive index of what? That medium Z. Okay, all right, now coming to the third formula. So refractive index of B, medium B with respect to A, into refractive index of medium A with respect to B, this is equal to 1. So this is another important formula. Refractive index of medium B with respect to medium A, so A is the first medium, B is the second medium, multiplied by refractive index of medium A with respect to medium B. Here B is the first medium, A is the second medium, so equal to 1. That means these two are reciprocal of each other. So when product of 2, suppose x into y equal to 1, then x and y are reciprocal of each other. So x equal to 1 by y and y equal to 1 by x. This you know from maths, isn't it? So therefore what we get, NBA equal to 1 by NAB, and NAB equal to 1 by NBA. Alright, so these two are reciprocal of each other. So this equal to 1 upon this, and this equal to 1 upon this. Okay, so this is another formula which you will require to use for numerical sums. Now let us see the fourth formula. Fourth formula is this one. So NAB equal to NA by NB. NB. Alright. Now here first medium is not mentioned. That means it is vacuum or same. The first medium may be vacuum. The first medium may be suppose oil. The first medium may be diamond. So when the first medium, in this case the first medium is same. This is why they are not mentioned. But usually when not mentioned, we take the first medium to be what? Vacuum. Alright. Now here, how do you get this one? You see how this formula you get. Now this is NA by NB, right? Now NA, suppose first medium is vacuum, then this is what? C by VA. So that according to that first formula, you see, according to that first formula which we did just now, this one, second formula, say this second formula, so this equal to C by VM, isn't it? So using this formula, so NA equal to what? C by VA. Then NB equal to what? C by VB. Now when you simplify, this C cancel, so what will remain? VB by VA. VB by VA, and that will be what? NAB. So this is how we get the formula. You see, this equal to this. If you forget, you can find out this way. So NA means what? C by VA, and NB means C by VB, according to that second formula, according to this formula, okay? So now here when you simplify, this C cancel, so what is left? VB goes up, so VB by VA. Now VB by VA is what? NAB, isn't it? NAB is VB by VA. So this is the formula. So NAB equal to NA by NB. All right. For example, so you'll be given numerical sum like this. Suppose NA will be given suppose 2. All right. Then NB will be given suppose say 1.5. Then you'll be asked to find NAB. So NA is given and B is given, you will be required to find NAB. So just use the formula, NAB equal to NA by NB, NA by NB. Alright, NA equal to NAB equal to NA by NB. Therefore, putting the value, so NA equal to given 2, NB is given 1.5. So you calculate. So calculating what you get. So calculating what you get. This is 20 by 15. 20 by 15 means 4 by 3. 4 by 3 means 1.33. So this is the answer value of this one. Alright. So this type of numerical sum you will get. So this value is given, NA is given, NB is given. So you are required to find NAB. So use this formula. So NAB equal to NA by NB. Put the value. This value is given 2. This value is given 1.5. So 2 by 1.5. So finally we get 20 by 15 and all that by 4 by 3. So 1.6 is the answer. This one. Okay. So this is the fourth formula. Now let us see that last formula, fifth. Okay. Now fifth formula comes straight from Snell's law. Now Snell's law is the second law of refraction. Second law of refraction. So that is called Snell's law. And according to Snell's law is what? Refractive index equal to sine I involving trigonometry. Sine I. Sine I equal to sine I by sine R. So refractive index of a certain medium, refractive index of a certain medium is equal to sine I by sine R. So let me write it properly. So refractive index, suppose refractive index of B with respect to A. Okay, so this is equal to sine I. I is the angle of incidence by sine R. R is the angle of refraction, and this I, this angle is in medium A, first medium, and this R is in medium B. Alright. So you see, when light enters from suppose medium A to medium B, consider this diagram. So this is the normal. So light is entering from medium A to medium B. Suppose this is the incident ray, this is the refracted ray. So this is medium A, this is medium B. Alright. Then this second, B is the refracting medium. Now this refractive index always refers to the refracting medium. Remember, refractive index always refers to the second medium, that is refracting medium. Okay. Now light is entering from A to B. Now A to B, this is I, angle of incidence, and this is R, angle of refraction. So this I is always in first medium A, right? And R is always in second medium B. So refractive index of medium B with respect to medium A is given by, according to Snell's law, sine of this angle. Now sine, cos, tan, all these are what? Terms of trigonometry. So sine of this angle divided by sine of this angle. So this angle is in medium A and this angle is in medium B. So this is the formula. This is the formula according to what? Snell's law. Now you will not be asked to find you will not be asked to use this formula for CBSE class 10. Actually, this is a problem of practical. So in laboratory you have to draw a circle, then all those things, draw perpendicular and all that. So that part is out of question. So not necessary for CBSE class 10. Okay. So just remember, this is according to Snell's law. So refractive index of a certain medium with respect to another medium is equal to sine I by sine R. This is a ratio. I is always in medium, first medium A, and R is always in second medium B. Okay. So this is what today I discussed with you, 5 important formula. Now in the next video I am going to discuss some important sums which are frequently given in exam. Okay. So today I will wind up. Now before I close, let me say, if you are happy with this these videos which I have made, I'll be happy, I'll be grateful if you subscribe. Okay, all right, thank you.